Hello everyone, this is the car seat dog cover. I recently invested this. I currently drive a bigger car. I've tried so many dog covers to try and stop that dirt from getting into the car seats and the hair getting everywhere, etc. So I've seen amazing things about this, and it's just come. It's come all compact, so I'm going to unfold it live with you and just have a look at it and tell you my thoughts. Already it actually feels very, very thick, not like hard, but still a bit padded, so the dog can still be comfortable, which is nice. And it's waterproof, so it's a nice material. Okay, so that's really cool. So let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, and you can see just how big it's now getting. Okay, let's now open. Okay. So the way this works is these hooks here are meant to go over the seat, the headrest of the seat. So the seat cover is meant to sit just like a normal chair, and then the bottom bits just go on the floor, so it's not like a curve or anything. It's literally a seat cover, so anyone can still sit on it. There's also meant to be little indents which open up here, so that's where the seatbelt buckles can go. So you just pull it straight through and people can still sit in it and buckle in and what's not. Okay, now over here you can see this material is a bit different, and this is actually a grip. So when you put this down, you pull it down face down, so this is on the car seat and it will grip the car seat. It's soft, so and not scratchy at all, so it's not going to damage anything. And then when people are coming in and out of the car seat's not going to move around all the way through. Okay, so just to show you what it looks like. That looks really good, nice and big, nice material, so it doesn't look horrible in the car. You've got these side flaps, so that goes down at the side of the car on each side. There's one on each side, just to get extra protection at the side of the seat. And yeah, there's also this little holder here if you want to take it out. You could actually use this as like a picnic blanket as well, which is quite cool. But you can hold it, fold it, nice and easy to fold, just like that. Okay, you can see it's folded, and yeah, you can hold it with these hooks as well, so that's a nice little add-on. Overall, I'm actually really impressed. I'm looking forward to do a repeat review to tell you my results of these, but at this point in time I would recommend this product, so go check it out.